As per IMD, yesterday's low pressure area over central parts of Andaman Sea moved west northwest towards and became a well-marked low pressure area over southwest of Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea in the early morning of today, the 2nd December 2021. It lay over southeast Bay of Bengal at 8:30 hours of today. It is likely to move west-northwest towards and concentrate into a depression over southeast and adjoining east central Bay of Bengal during next 12 hours. Then it is likely to move northwestwards and intensify into a cyclonic storm over central parts of Bay of Bengal during the subsequent 24 hours. It is likely to reach east central Bay of Bengal off North Andhra Pradesh, South Odisha coast and around 4th December morning. Thereafter, it is likely to move northeastwards. Rainfall warning. On 2nd December, light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy rainfall at isolated places likely over Andaman and Nicobar Islands. On 3rd December, light to moderate rainfall at many places with heavy to heavy rainfall at isolated places over south coastal Odisha and heavy rainfall at isolated places over north coastal Andhra Pradesh. On 4th December, light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to heavy rainfall and extremely heavy falls at isolated places very likely over South Odisha and North coastal Andhra Pradesh and heavy to heavy rainfall at isolated places over North coastal Andhra Pradesh, North and interior districts of Odisha and also over Gangetic, West Bengal. On 5th December, light to moderate rainfall at many places with heavy to heavy rainfall at isolated places likely over West Central and Odisha and heavy rainfall at isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya and Tripura. On 6th December, light to moderate rainfall at many places with heavy to heavy rainfall at isolated places likely over Assam and Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura. Wind warning. Squally wind speed reaching 45 to 55 km per hour, gusting to 65 km per hour likely to prevail over southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea during next 6 hours. It would further increase to wind speed reaching 50 to 60 km per hour, gusting to 70 km per hour over southeast and adjoining east central Bay of Bengal from today, the 2nd December evening. Gale wind speed reaching 65 to 75 km per hour, gusting to 85 km per hour likely to prevail over central Bay of Bengal from the morning of 3rd December and gradually increase becoming 90 to 100 km per hour, gusting to 110 km per hour over northwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal from the morning of 4th December for the subsequent 24 hours. Squally wind speed reaching 45 to 55 km per hour, gusting to 65 km per hour, likely to commence along and of North Andhra Pradesh, Odisha coast from the midnight of 3rd December and increase gradually becoming 70 to 80 km per hour, gusting to 90 km per hour from 4th morning for the subsequent 12 hours. Squally wind speed reaching 45 to 55 km per hour, gusting to 65 km per hour, also likely to become in Shillong and off West Bengal coast from 4th December morning and became gale wind speed reaching 60 to 70 km per hour, gusting to 80 km per hour from the evening of 4th December for the subsequent 12 hours.